in-house lawyer would tell us about. So could I have a mover, please? Just one moment, please. Just before we've just got the lady delivering lunch.
Sorry, just through the check. Yes.
So, and Nigel might be able to assist me, but Nigel's going to give you some legal advice around some risks, some legal risks, which, as is our normal course of event, if we're receiving legal advice, then that's confidential, because you don't let your risks become public, so that anybody who was wishing to challenge your decision knew your reasons for that. So it's standard practice.
Just to reiterate, though, we have spent part of the morning talking about risks and what those particular risks were, so just help me understand how this is different.
Sure. So the difference here is that we're now specific, and we're getting specific about your risks of a specific option and a specific decision. We can continue to go live and be public, but that will temper the advice that Nigel was able to give you as your in-house lawyer. He will be tempering that on the basis that it is public, and again, like anything, we don't give away our legal position and articulate our risks and opportunities in the public view.
What I ask then is that we find some way, once we've come out of confidence, because if it's going to affect how decisions are made, I think the community and the public have a right to know.
Cool. All right. Okay, could I have a move? Thanks. Councillor Rankin, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Okay.
Every comment that we hear today, I believe I would have the right to tell someone that asked me why we did or didn't do something.
Cool. Okay, we'll hear the advice and confidence. Are we off, Lucy? And then